Hey YouTubers, happy Easter Sunday, the day of rest, day of relaxation, and in my case, the day of cutting the grass. Slight problem, my lawnmower's just run out of petrol. So, solutions. Could use the electric lawnmower. I hate the electric lawnmower. Go get some petrol. That would be a plan, but all my jerry cans are full of petrol. So how's that a problem? Well, the petrol that is in my jerry cans came out of my dad's Lotus that we're working on restoring. So the petrol in my jerry cans, I have 25 litres of 20-year-old petrol, because the last time that car was on the road was sometime around summer 2000, maybe 2001. So the question is, will 20-year-old petrol still work in a lawnmower and have enough fizz to make it run? There's only one way to find out, isn't there? So first up, let's go for a colour test. We have a nice clean container. Give it a wipe out with a cloth, make sure there's nothing in it that's going to contaminate the petrol. And now let's not do this on the workbench, let's do this on the floor. And I'm going to try, without spilling too much, get the petrol out into that, and we can see what sort of colour petrol we have. This is really hard to do one-handed without a spout and without making a mess. Anyway, yeah, that doesn't look the best. Bit varnishy, but might as well give it a go. So I suddenly remembered, I've actually got two cans of petrol. So this one was the latter can, this one was the first can. So this one, I filled up first when I was draining the car, but because I was using my Pella pump, which I normally use for oil changes, there was a bit of oil residue in the pump and in the suction hose that came out with the first batch. So out of curiosity, I poured a sample out of that can as well, and that is the one on the left. So you can see that one with the oil residue in it is a fair bit darker than the latter can. That was the very last bit that we pulled out of the car. So I'm going to go with that one for trying to run the lawnmower on, because I really don't think that one would work, and that's just asking for a carb rebuild. So hopefully this works. Having a filler funnel for this might add a little bit of fun to the proceedings. Let's do this that way, because that side should bend a bit more. Oh, like a boss. See, I'm not putting in too much initially, because if this doesn't work and I end up having to drain the lawnmower and flush the fuel system, I still have an easier time of doing it that way. On the plus side, if it does work, I've got fuel for my lawnmower for about the next 10 years. So, safely stored the fuel container. Let's give it a few pumps. Okay, pull cord, hold camera, and pull the trigger. This could be interesting. Success! So there you go, folks. 20-year-old petrol, still good for lawnmowers. Game on.